Hey, what's up guys, Dragolisco here. I want to show you the snake trail brushes pack that I created. It's trail brush, so this means that you only have to drag to sculpt your scales, okay? It's so easy that you can fill an entire surface with these scales. And if you want, for example, to apply those scales individually, all you have to do is to click here and select drag rect, okay? And then you can use it as a regular VDM brush. There are 45 different scales, including, for example, belly scales like this. Those are the belly scales. As you can see. And you can find them right now in my online store. Thank you very much guys. I hope you like this new process pack, and see you in the next video.